Snoring keeping you up all night? Well, let's look at this product. Nice. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nitetronic Anti-Snore Pillow. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nitetronic A1 Anti-Snore Pillow. This is a smart pillow that literally adjusts itself when you're snoring to stop you from snoring. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to look at this Nitetronic Anti-Snore Pillow right here. This is the new one. This is the A1 version. And as you see right here, this is AI powered. So a smart pillow to keep you from snoring. So let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this user manual right here. And it looks like it's also in color. So that's always awesome. It just gives you information on what the lights mean, setting it up, getting the app set up. So everything you need to get started right here in this really simple user manual. The next things you'll see are this USB cable right here, and it looks like it's a USB-C powered pillow, so that's super cool. Got our wall charger right here, so USB-C, and then right here charger. Everything you need is included. And then finally the pillow itself, so let's unwrap it. Whoa, this pillow is soft. Whoa. This pillow is soft. This thing, look at that. That just, whoa. It feels amazing. Super, super soft. Now up here towards the top, you can kind of feel where the block is. And I'm guessing this is part of our little setup system right here where you plug it in and everything. We'll unzip it from that pillow cover, and right there it is. So the Nitetronic system right here, looks like we got some little power buttons and stuff, our charging port, and then to connect it to the internet. In addition is this little back memory foam piece as well. And you can tell the pillow itself has got a memory foam in it. It just feels great. So let's go ahead and try it out. This is the Nitetronic A1, an AI-powered anti-snore pillow. The Nitetronic A1 mimics the instinctive motion, gently adjusting the sleeper's position to prevent snoring when it just begins, allowing both of you to enjoy uninterrupted peaceful rest. The Nitetronic A1 autonomously learns from your sleep environment, actively filtering out disruptive ambient noises like walking, music, or talking. It then focuses solely on identifying your genuine snoring. This ensures a snore recognition accuracy of 99.1% and a breathing anomaly detection accuracy of 82%. The Nitetronic A1 features 6 integrated flexible airbags and 6 head position sensors. This advanced design enables it to precisely detect your head's exact location and posture, regardless of where you sleep on the pillow. Each of these 6 independently sectioned flexible airbags can operate autonomously, providing accurate and agile adjustments based on your head's position and snoring pattern. This anti-snoring smart pillow offers dynamic multi-dimensional AI-powered smart intervention, delivering a personalized anti-snoring experience. It precisely controls the head rotation angle, airbag lift height, and intervention speed based on your unique sleep cycle, adapting to your REM, light, and deep sleep stages. With the snore type, it responds specifically to soft palate, epiglottic, and retroglossal snoring. This intelligent adjustment gently guides you to a snore-free position without disturbing your sleep. Nitetronic's innovative system offers 2 distinctive intervention modes to meet the diverse needs of users, covering the full spectrum of snoring severity, from mild to moderate and severe. Frequent irregular snoring, especially if you experience pauses in breathing, could be a warning sign of obstructive sleep apnea. Research reveals that around 936 million people aged 30 to 69 worldwide suffer from OSA, with approximately 30% of habitual snorers eventually developing the condition. The Nitetronic app can provide you with an early warning, allowing you to seek professional help sooner. But do keep in mind this feature requires a premium app subscription, and currently all backers to the Kickstarter receive 1 month free trial of the premium app access. This is another amazing product from Nitetronic right here, and it's based around science to make your life easier. I've got to say, Nitetronic, great job. This is the second time we worked with Nitetronic, and I've got to say this is another fantastic product, and this one is Mwah! It's really nice. It's upgraded. It's got all of their newest technology in it. It's just awesome. We want to give a huge shout out to Nitetronic for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.